Hey everyone, so today I'll celebrate 125 subscribers on my channel. But I know I'm late making subscriber videos, that's because I'm busy on things. And I know I haven't posted in a while, so here's a video for you. The celebration for 125 subscribers will be running my garage doors. We got the 8355, still the same. The WLED is still the same as well. Nothing has changed in here. Here are the wall controls. We got the 882 for the 8355 and the 880 LM for the WLED. Since we usually start by running the 8355, let's start by running the WLED. Here we go. It still runs great. Let's run up the 8355. And the 8355 sounds beautiful as well. Here is the keypad. Let's run the WLED down. Let's close the 8355. And here we go. Let's run the WLED up with the keypad. Let's run the 8355 up with the keypad. Let's close both of the doors one at a time, and then that will be it. Let's start by closing the WLED, and here we go. Let's close the 8355, and that will be about it. And there you go. That is the video of the 125 subscribers special video. Here is a quick look at the C2212. I still haven't gotten it working yet, I just don't have time right now. I hope you enjoyed the video. Remember to like, subscribe, enable the bell, and leave a comment, and have a great day.